Hi everyone, it's Janabelle from East Coast Mummy, and today I have all new DIY gifts made using dollar store supplies. I also have free printable tags you're gonna love. First up is a fun way to gift yummy treats. I picked up a bunch of my favorites at my local Dollarama, along with an inexpensive shadow box frame. I took the back off of the frame and began positioning the treats inside, careful to make sure there was enough room to replace the back. Once the treats were inside, I put the back on the frame, making sure to put the white sheet facing the glass in case you could see it behind the goodies. Pretty cute, right? At this point, I decided to add a fun decal I made using my Cricut. If you don't have a Cricut, you could always use alphabet stickers. My decal said, "In case of emergency, break glass." I applied it with some transfer paper, and that was it. Of course, I don't expect anyone to actually break the glass. They'll probably just open the back. As you can see, I applied the black lettering first and then the red. For an extra touch of fun, I included this little wooden hammer that I had in my craft stash and added a name, but this step is totally optional. And I made another option using just a plain frame, not a shadow frame. I taped some gift cards onto a piece of white paper, put them facing the glass part of the frame, and replaced the back. I added the same decal that I added to the shadow box frame, and that was it for this one. Let me know which one you like the best, the shadow box or the picture frame. Next up is a fun take on a book I used to read with my kids when they were little. You'll need a dollar store mug. I added a Cricut decal to mine, but that is totally optional. You'll also need some coffee and some cookies, store-bought or homemade work well, and the free tags I designed. You can find a link to the free downloadable tags in the description box below. Once you print the 4x6 tags, you can cut them into the shape of a tag and punch a hole in the top. Then grab a piece of twine and use it to secure the tag. I attach the twine to the coffee, and then the cookie to the coffee, and then the tag to the cookie. Then I pop them all into the mug that I made using my Cricut. Here's the front of the mug. Here's the back of the mug. And here's what it looks like all packaged up with the tag that I designed. The last gift idea I'm sharing today involves these cute vases that I found at my local Dollarama. I knew I could do something super cute with them. I'm pairing them with these adorable tags that you can download for free on my blog. I'll leave a link in the description below. Just print the tags, cut them into a tag shape, and use a hole punch to put a hole in the top. Then grab some twine. I have this pink and white one that I think is sweet. I used it to attach the tag to the vase, and that was it. I love the idea of a special little vase, perfect for flowers picked by little hands. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this one? I hope you enjoyed the ideas I shared today. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.